In this video, we're reinstalling the Driveshaft and Pinion into the 1931 Model A Ford rear end. This is a homemade tool I made from a cut-off torque tube and some 3/8 24 all thread. It's an easy way to install the Driveshaft if you have it removed with the pinion attached like I do in this video. And there you have it. In just under 10 minutes real time, I've got the pinion fully installed and we are ready to put on the torque tube. And we're ready to install the rear end back in the car. Thanks a lot, everybody. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments. Thanks a lot.